Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and by now OnePlus has become something of an established player in the smartphone market. And today the company has announced a brand new finish. It's called Sandstone White. Let's take a look. There's nothing really new to see in the unboxing process. The box is the same and it comes with the same power adapter and USB cable, as well as the tray that contains your SIM ejector tool, your free case, the paperwork and those stickers. But it's the finish that we really want to see here. To the eye, it's a brilliant matte white that's really attractive. Now, to get this finish, each phone is put through a 75-minute ordeal involving 4 high-precision processes. Firstly, a primer is applied before a white masking layer is coated onto the body. This second layer helps ensure the white colouring is truly opaque, completely covering the metal material. After that, the phones are sandblasted with a mixture of white oil paint and minerals to give it its white finish and the sandstone texture. And lastly, a UV layer is added to refine the way that this finish feels. Now, to the touch, this new sandstone texture is nowhere near as pronounced as the older sandstone black. It's not rough at all, it's more like a really smooth pebble. It adds a little bit of texture and grip, but it's very pleasant to hold. The white finish covers the entire body of the device except for the buttons and SIM tray, which are black, apart from the alert slider, which has a hot red finish. The front is black too, contrasting against this white colouring. Now, on the whole, it's a really nice looking phone in person. Certainly worth checking out if you want a phone that isn't like anything else on the market right now. Apart from maybe the Pixel 2 XL, there aren't many major phones out there with this kind of white metal finish. And obviously a OnePlus phone is going to cost you a lot less than a Pixel will. Now, this phone is going to be available from OnePlus from the 9th of January, and it's going to cost the same as the Midnight Black model, but it is only available in one storage option. That's with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is a lot of memory, and it's going to cost £499 or $559. I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter. You can follow me over there, ask me questions. Also, use the comments down below if you want to, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you like our videos. I'll see you again soon.